Which AP should I appear for in class 11th and 12th if you are an Indian citizen applying for universities abroad, specifically in STEM, which is the science, technology and engineering sections. Now, there is a good way to distribute your workload. Rather than appearing for all the 4 APs in 1 year, you can appear for 2 AP after your class 11th and 2 AP after your class 12th. Which AP should you choose in that case? For your class 11th, you can choose Calculus BC because calculus is a section that you would cover in your 11th grade. You can also go for Physics C, Mechanics, because most of that would be covered in your 11th syllabus. So these two are the AP that you can appear after your 11th. After your 12th, we do recommend that you appear for AP Physics C, Electricity and Magnetism, and that is the reason because that is the section which is covered in your class 12 in CBSE and ICSE boards. The next important thing is you can also apply for Chemistry AP after your 12th and Biology AP after your 12th. Why so? Biology and chemistry, both of these APs require the complete syllabus of 11th and 12th. So if you are done with the syllabus, then it's a good time to appear with those APs after your 12th grade. Most of the sections in chemistry, which is physical chemistry, comes from grade 12, which is covered in grade 12th in your CBSE and ISC board. So after your 12th is a good time to apply for AP chemistry, AP biology. AP chemistry, note, is considered as one of the toughest APs. So prepare well and have lots and lots of mock paper and practice questions solved before you appear for your AP chemistry.